Well, we're celebrating June Dairy Month here in Wisconsin with Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin, and Angie Edge is back with us for some more cheesy goodness today and really some really wonderful recipes this month.
I know, I'm so excited. We've been celebrating June Dairy Month all month long, but we have a lot to celebrate. We are, in fact, America's Dairyland here, so we produce more cheese than any other state, and the quality of the products that we have here are just second to none. Amazing.
And when it comes to dairy, there's a lot to celebrate, even more than cheese, right?
There is. And of course, we, milk, yogurt, cheese, butter, ice cream, all the things. And not only that, but dairy really drives the economy here in Wisconsin. It contributes $52 billion to our state's economy. So when you think about the number of jobs, 120,000 jobs here because of our dairy industry, it makes this milk and cheese pretty darn important.
And I'm looking at this recipe and I'm thinking, wow, there's cheese in this.
Yes.
And this kind of is one of those things too. You can make them very unique.
Yeah, so this is the blueberry cobbler dessert. When you go to a farm breakfast, you might have coffee cake, pancakes, eggs, but this is kind of a twist on a traditional coffee cake that you could serve at breakfast. And so it is a cake that has the blueberries. It does have the blueberry cobbler cheddar baked right into the crust.
Yum.
6 ounces of shredded blueberry cobbler cheese make it absolutely amazing. There's also buttermilk and butter and milk baked right into this as well, along with flour and sugar. But it's great. Again, you can make it on ahead. We do recommend serving it with a little bit of extra whipped cream.
Oh, you gotta do that.
And so it could be a dessert or a breakfast, but really having a lot of fun with that blueberry cheddar made by Hennings in Kiel, Wisconsin. I know we always talk about every cheese has a story to tell, but this company has been making cheese for over 100 years.
Wow.
They have a master cheesemaker. They have 4 generations of family that are part of the Hennings factory, and they're really known for their cheddars. So you see the sweet blueberry cobbler cheddar is a mixture of the blueberries, the cobbler, the cheddar, and they have also cheeses with a lot of heat to it too. You can find like mango fire and dragon's breath and a whole range of specialty cheddars, and they always are so unique with the ingredients that they add.
Well, that's what's so cool is it doesn't have to be basic. Some of them can get very in-depth, and just adding some blueberry to some cheese, just the flavor from that alone is incredible.
Yeah, and so it's great to eat, plain as a table cheese, but it's also wonderful in desserts to cook with it and bake with it. And of course, we have the Sassy Cow products as well, the Sassy Cow whipped cream, the Sassy Cow milk. You see the butter even has a Proudly Wisconsin. But we're celebrating all things dairy in Wisconsin this month and really paying tribute to our hardworking dairy farm families. So in Wisconsin, we have a lot of dairy farmers, and 99% of those farmers, the farms are in fact family owned. There's a lot of pride and tradition, hard work, all the things with our Wisconsin dairy farmers.
So every time you're going to the grocery store and you're, picking up one of these Proudly Wisconsin brands, I mean, that is important. You're supporting these families.
Yeah, you're supporting your local farmers, you're supporting your local families, and you're helping our Wisconsin economy.
Oh, it's an important month.
Yes.
All right, where can folks find this recipe?
You can find the recipe at wisconsincheese.com. Look for the blueberry cobbler recipe. You can learn more about our Wisconsin cheese companies, inspiration, pairing, you name it, all things Wisconsin cheese.
I think June is the best month in Wisconsin, isn't it?
It's my favorite for sure.
Why not?
Yes.
All right, Angie Edge,
Thank you.
as always, thank you.